Eric Litchford. I'm the Preservation Specialist and Project Manager for Preservation Virginia. I'm down at the historic Cape Henry Lighthouse, which you can see behind me. I'm going to be talking about the recent preservation work we've been doing on the interior staircase. So we are inside the Cape Henry Lighthouse, traveling up the shaft. Originally, when the lighthouse was built in the early 1790s, the lighthouse had wood stairs. The metal stairs I'm walking on now were installed by the Coast Guard in 1867. If you've been to the Cape Henry Lighthouse before, you might realize that this paint color is completely new. We recently had microscopic paint analysis performed on all the interior metalwork, and it turns out that this red shade was the original first coat of paint that was added to the stairs when they were installed in 1867. This matches documentary evidence we found, as there's a Coast Guard inspection report from the year the stairs were installed that also notes that the stairs were painted red. This color would have been extremely common on 19th century metalwork and was likely applied at the site where the stairs were manufactured to protect them from corrosion. So we're up at the top of the lighthouse now. You can see the new Cape Henry Lighthouse behind me. We hope that when we're open to the public, you can come and see the new paint color for yourself. And if you want to help preserve structures like the Cape Henry Lighthouse, please consider donating to Preservation Virginia. Thanks for watching.